So we start off today's video with someone who has long waist-length hair. Oh, wow. So she's gonna cut the hair into a pixie, or she wants to cut it to a pixie. So the stylist places the hair in the ponytails, begins to cut. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. I love the texture that he created within the cutting. So beautiful. What a major transformation to go from having hair that long to hair that short. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. So here we have someone else who decided to shake things up with a pixie. And she did end up getting some color with hers, but this is gorgeous. Wow, so she went from shoulder length hair to this beautiful pixie style. So if you guys are feeling inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. And what I love most about this particular hair transformation is the amount of volume that she got from the cutting. Just looks absolutely amazing. Next up, we have someone with really pretty curly hair. She has some bangs here going in the front. Looks like she's getting some color with this transformation. Oh, beautiful shoulder length bob style. Loving the highlights mixed in. And she does still have those really cute bottleneck bangs in the front to frame out the face. This is really pretty, and I love how thick her hair is as well. So then we have someone rocking out a bob. She does have a pop of blonde going there in the bangs. Looks like she wants some hair extensions for this hair change. Wow. Very nice. And typically we see the long to short, not the short to the long, but this is a nice switch up. Very cool. Kind of gives me like the Cruella de Vil vibes. Such a fun hair color. So here we have someone else getting some color put in. Looks like she's mainly doing the front, getting like some money piece highlights going. And the stylist kind of did like a subtle take with the color. Really pretty. The color really matches and enhances her complexion beautifully. And then we have a very hot hair trend for 2023, and that is the finger waved pixie look. So this stylist is going to show us how to achieve this look at home. And you can do this particular style no matter what your hair texture is. As long as you have a pixie, you can pretty much pull this look off. And the style really gives off a nice retro old Hollywood vibe, like a nice romantic feel. So gorgeous. So next up we have another hair transformation. So she has shoulder length hair here. And it looks like she wants a pixie. Everyone's getting a pixie in today's video. So it looks like she kind of wants like a pixie bob, leaving a little bit of longer hair in the front, shorter in the back. Oh, very nice. I really like the texture that he created within the cut. Very pretty. And the bangs frame out her face flawlessly. So here we have the stylist adding in some color for the next transformation. Doing some cutting. Adding in some bangs. And we have another beautiful bob. She has the French girl style bob for this one. Wow, she looks absolutely amazing. So pretty. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out these hairstyles. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.